Helium Mobile is a prepaid carrier that runs on T-Mobile's network and adds its own decentralized 5G hotspot layer. For just $20 a month, you get unlimited talk and text and up to 30 gigs of high-speed data, plus the option to earn mobile crypto tokens through its discovery mapping features. The pros: pricing is unbeatable. Coverage is solid in most urban areas thanks to the T-Mobile coverage, and the ability to offset your bill with token rewards is just amazing. Very unique. Users also love the quick eSIM activation. It's fast and fully app-based. There are trade-offs. After 30 gigs, speeds throttle down to roughly 1 Mbps, making streaming and heavy browsing painful. The app has mixed reviews, especially on Android, with reports of battery drain and occasional crashes. And while support is responsive for some, others complain of long wait times and confusing account issues. Bottom line is, if you live in a strong T-Mobile area and like the idea of crypto rewards, Helium can save you serious money. But if you need flawless support or unthrottled speeds, it might feel quite limited. Have you tried it? Let us know in the comments below. If you didn't, that's all right too. Subscribe for more videos like this, and let us know in the comments what else you want to see from us, and I'll catch you in the next video.